This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone screen dims while playing PUBG Mobile. So when you are playing PUBG, your iPhone screen keeps going dark on iOS automatically. Follow these quick solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is open your PUBG app and tap on this arrow icon. Tap on settings, select graphics and audio, scroll down. From here, increase your PUBG brightness and disable auto adjust graphic brightness from here. Tap on OK and then check the issue. And the second solution is go to your iPhone settings, tap on display and brightness, disable true tone, and then check the issue. The next solution is open your iPhone settings and tap on battery, disable low power mode, and again tap on accessibility, tap on display and text size, scroll down, disable auto brightness, and then restart your iPhone and check the issue. The last and final solution is reset all settings. Open your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, transfer reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix your iPhone screen dims automatically while playing PUBG Mobile. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.